Social and emotional effects of tobacco. Greg felt guilty about avoiding his father lately, but he didn't want his father to smell the cigarette smoke on his clothes or breath. Now, whenever Greg comes home, he goes directly to his room. There are other consequences for smoking than health problems. For example, lying to family or friends, feeling weak about giving in to peer pressure, and sneaking around to avoid getting caught are just a few of the problems that teen smokers face. Breaking rules. As the public learned about the dangers of tobacco products, more laws were developed to decrease the use of tobacco products. Governments want to reduce the number of people who get sick and die because of tobacco use. So many states are writing new policies about tobacco use. For example, it is against the law to sell tobacco products to anyone under the age of 18. Schools forbid smoking on school grounds and at school events, and most parents have their own rules regarding tobacco products. So deciding to smoke means breaking rules on many different levels. Smoking also means hiding tobacco use from others, which is not always an easy thing to do. Cigarette smoke makes your skin, hair, and clothing smell bad, and tobacco products give you bad breath and yellow teeth. Social strain. Imagine being with someone who is underage when that person is trying to break a law and buy cigarettes. Even though you have done nothing wrong, you may be considered guilty because you are with that person. Or how about being around a group of people who insist on smoking even when it bothers other people? These people may not intend to hurt others, but may simply find it too difficult to quit. These situations describe social strain. Social strain is when the use of tobacco causes awkward or risky situations and creates tension among family and friends. It is difficult for both parents and children to watch a loved one increase his or her chances of dying from a deadly disease. It is especially hard when that disease could have been prevented in the first place. Social strain also arises when pressure is placed on people to use tobacco even if they do not want to.